Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Android 8, 0 or later, and the latest Google Play services. Once done, grant location, Bluetooth, and background app permissions. These enable presence, multiplayer discovery, and achievements. Next, install Google Play Games or a compatible Game Center app. Use Play Store for safety or a trusted APK if necessary. You should sign into your Google account immediately so your profile and cloud saves link. This prepares the device for the actual configuration steps that follow. You now configure services and accounts, open Play Games, sign in, and create a gamer tag so matchmaking and leaderboards show the right name. Make sure cloud saves and achievements are enabled. These sync progress across devices. Link social accounts or contacts for friend invites and adjust privacy so you control who sees activity. Then customize notifications and multiplayer invite settings so you get relevant alerts without spam. These steps let you join matches and recover progress reliably. Finish by testing everything. Launch a compatible game, sign in through Play Games, invite a friend, and confirm leaderboards and cloud save restore. If features are missing, restart the device and update the Play Games app and Play services. That often resolves compatibility issues. If problems persist, clear the app cache, reauthorize your Google account, and ensure a stable network connection. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall Play Games only after backing up saves, because reinstalling can reset local data if Cloud Sync wasn't active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.